Hello students, good morning. Now this is your social study class. Students, already we have started chapter 17, means of communication. I hope you have gone through the first part of the chapter in Vasam app. Okay, so students, one thing I want to tell you, if you sincerely follow my classes, follow my explanation, what I am explaining you, what I am going to tell you about the chapter, okay, so I hope you will learn the chapter better. You can understand the chapter better, and that will reflect in your answer sheet. So students, you can understand what I am going to tell you, what I mean to say, that if you will be sincere and see all the video, attend the classes, video classes, live classes, whatever we are going to do, if you will attend that, then I think you can do better in your exam. That will reflect your study, your what you know in your exam, in your answer sheet. Understand? So today we are going to start. I want to explain you about information technology, IT. Information technology. Information technology refers to the information flow through computers. The information which is flow through the computers, that is information technology, IT. Modern telephones can be connected to computers. IT has revolutionized communication all over the world, and it tends to shrink the world. It has capability to shrink the world. So information technology includes the following means of communication, that are mobile phone, email, then satellite phone, that is called VSAT service. So one by one we will go through. Mobile phone. Mobile phone has become very popular as they can be work on the air signals. They can be work through or on air signals. It can be carried in hand without using any cord. That means this is cordless, and it is also called a cellular phone. Okay, why it is called cellular phone? Do you know what is cellular phone? That means a cellular phone is a telecommunication device that uses radio waves over the network area, and that small parts of the network area, that is called cell. Okay, these are cells. Network areas, the part of network areas are called cell, that enable to call and transmit this communication wirelessly. So that is called cellular phone. Do you understand? Why we call cellular phone cellular? That means it has battery or not, like that. Cell, that means compartment or part or area that the network has. Okay, so it connect the network areas of same network area of another part, another area. It connect. So a cellular phone is a telco communication, okay, or your telecom communication device, and that uses radio waves. Radio waves over the network areas. That enables what? To call, or it transmits its communication wirelessly. Understand? Okay. Mobile phones are called cellular phones, and it works on air signals, right? Electronic mails, it is email. E for electronic mails. So electronic mails, what do you know about the electronic mails? It works through internet, by which people can send and receive messages. Electronic mails work through internet. Here internet is required. Okay, so it works through the internet, by which people can send or receive messages. So today, an international computer network, that is called WWW. This is the abbreviation for World Wide Web. WWW, that is abbreviation for World Wide Web, allows people to stay connected and send messages through email or electronic mail in a few seconds. So this is called electronic mail, which works through internet. Understood? Okay. Now satellite phone. Satellite phone works through VSAT services. VSAT service, that means very small aperture technology. So this type of technology is used by defense, okay, defense and intelligence system, and this phone is also very useful for communication in remote areas which do not have regular phone or mobile services. Telephones link via, in this VSAT, that is satellite phone, it linked via satellites, so it is called satellite phones. Okay, now communication in India. Communications in India, we communicate through telephone, internet and postal service. Okay, so telephone is the fastest means of communication, and it is a two-way communication, right? It is a two-way communication, and in India, okay, it is highly developed. In India, it is highly developed, and one of the fastest growing telecom network in the world, India. India is one of the fastest growing telecom network in world, and mobile phone in India were formally launched in August 1995, and the two countries with more mobile phone users. Do you know the names of two countries? Yes, uh, and the users than India. That these countries are USA and China. Okay, the two countries with more mobile phones users than India are USA and China. So students, uh, almost every street in India has one telephone booth. Okay, in our now the mobile phone is very popular, but before that there was uh, in every street you could find telephone booth. Okay, and which offers public calls like STD and IST calls for the foreign countries. So the IST code of India was 91. IST code of India is 91, and in order to make the international code dial, we have to dial 00, international access code, and that is from India. So students, and do you know STD and IST? What is the abbreviation? These are the abbreviation, and its full form is STD is, tell me, subscriber trunk dialing. This is STD. STD, we can talk to people in other countries within India. But IST is for international subscriber dial. International subscriber dialing, IST. Okay, this meant for calling people abroad. So now this day we are not using all this, we use our mobile phones. But we should know about this. And next is internet. Internet is the system that connects million of computers in different parts of the world with each other. This is internet. Internet is the system that connects million of computers in a different parts of world with each other. So India is connected to the world through the internet as well, and almost every urban household has access to high speed internet. Now 5G is about to come, no? And nowadays the internet has also reached rural areas, rural part of the India. People living at the grassroots level are learning to communicate and to move with the world. Okay, so these are the technologies which are very useful for mankind. And the last communication that we are going to read about, postal service. So in Indian postal service are excellent, outstanding, and very popular. Okay, so letters are delivered to their recipients in a very reliable and prompt manner, in a time. Okay, very in very prompt manner. That means it's rich in a time. And registered mail is also necessary only if you intend to send valuables. Then you have to register the mail with acknowledgement. Okay, so in India, okay, the Indian Postal Service also offers air mail service to Europe, Australia and Africa, which takes about a week. It takes time. So and for America it takes around 10 days. Okay, all the major towns have speed post facilities. Where? In post office. So almost all towns have courier services. Okay, courier services are very popular now. So students, go through this chapter. Like can you tell mass media? What are mass media? Newspaper, radio, television, then blogs, then forum, all this discussion, Facebook, social networking, all these are included in means of communication, means of mass communication. Okay, means of mass communication. So students, we have completed this chapter. Go through the chapter twice and thrice, read the chapter and go through the video also. In the last video, the first part I have taught you, and in this video the second part, and the chapter completed. So students, class ends here. Next day we will start doing exercises. Till then, goodbye.